Well, I hope everybody had a great weekend because we've already started off on a great note for the week. Shiba Inu printing once again another green daily candle, still broken out. And what's interesting is the last time Shiba Inu did this, we went on a 20% run to the upside. And the question is what price would that bring us to in terms of Shiba Inu? What is the likelihood of this happening? And I do have to say, there are a lot of things aligning towards this being the next big leg in crypto. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So basically the big thing that has gotten the market popping this morning is BTC. BTC actually ran all the way up above 87K. Right now it's coming down to about 86. There's going to be some profit taking. There's going to be some short-term trading, but it's a question of what does US money do when it wakes up. Right now it's about 6:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. We'll see if US can continue the overnight overseas rally that we were on. But you guys can see that Shiba Inu is in fact has continued to be broken out above this 20-day moving average. It's targeting its 50-day. And right now, guys, this is the fourth day in a row that Shiba Inu is actually broken out above this 20-day moving average. And the last time we did that, Shiba Inu from that breakout point actually ran about 20%. That point, it ran almost all the way up to 40158. Now, where that would put Shiba Inu at currently is somewhere around 143, 142, somewhere in that range. And that would actually be Shiba Inu breaking back above this long-term trend. And right now, I do just want to show you guys, I know I've shown this a couple other videos, but what we're seeing is Shiba Inu continue to follow this Wyckoff accumulation model. Right now, we're trying to attack this LPS phase. We're doing this across the crypto market. We're seeing breakouts throughout the space, and that's a great sign. Now, what I will say is that the only thing that has not really broken out yet is Ethereum. Ethereum got a hard rejection at its 20-day moving average. It's showing a lot of consistency here. What I thought was very interesting is there was a post that was shown by Crypto Rover, and what this was is the Bitcoin 2020 chart versus the Ethereum chart. And there was actually a very interesting correlation between these two of these. You guys can see the run up, the breakdown, run up again, breakdown to this liquidity grab zone. And then we know what followed. BTC went on a massive run actually from about that $5,000 range, well above there, well above 30K or so. We know it ran all the way up to, I think, 62K in the first part of that market cycle. And that obviously lasted into 2021. But what's interesting here is we're following what BTC did historically speaking. And that's great because we know Shib is currently outpacing Ethereum. It's doing a great job of staying on trend like we talked about yesterday. And what's great here is we're waiting for this overall crypto market breakout. We keep getting this retest at the top here. And this may be the moment that we actually get that breakout and retest back at the top. And then away we go. A couple things here as well. Another day of buying in terms of Shiba Inu whales. Go figure. This has just been the theme day after day after day. It's a very consistent theme. People want to have their SHIB position for the long haul. And we did, in fact, hit a new all-time low in terms of exchange supply, 86.57 trillion Shiba Inu available. So things are setting up for this kind of exciting week across the crypto market. And I'm not ready to say that, this is the big moment of breakout or anything like that. But you can definitely feel the momentum shifting. Confidence is starting to re-enter the market. Just looking at a few things here that I talked about in other videos today, USDT dominance continues to drop off. We're continuing to try and push down here, again, creating this head and shoulders here. So there's potential next leg down in terms of USDT dominance, while other assets throughout the space are creating the opposite. Shib, like we talked about, not only are we playing into that Wyckoff accumulation model, we are in fact creating that inverse head and shoulders like we were talking about. So all these signs are pointing the right direction for assets in the crypto market right now. And yes, Shiba Inu is included in that. And luckily, this level of resilience that has stayed with Shib this whole time is allowing it to do this. We're up to $150 million in daily trading volume. We're showing some good momentum right along with everything else in the crypto market. And the great news is that when confidence resumes, that is when Shib can start to make some of these more extended, decorrelated runs in the space. So I just want to share it with you guys. I'm pretty excited. I'm trying to temper my expectations. We'll see what this week brings, but I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.